Zelle transfers to Chime fail because Chime is not fully integrated with the Zelle network inside most banking apps, so payments often stop at verification or routing before they complete. By the end, you'll know exactly why Zelle does not work with Chime in many cases, and what you can do to send or receive money without the transfer failing. First issue is system compatibility. Zelle is designed to work directly inside participating bank apps, and Chime operates as a separate digital banking platform. That difference means some Zelle transfers cannot link correctly to a Chime account, especially when the sender tries to use Zelle inside another bank's app. Second issue is email and phone verification conflicts. Zelle relies on a single phone number or email being tied to one bank account at a time. If that same email or number was previously linked to another bank, the transfer can fail or get routed incorrectly. Removing it from the old bank and re-registering it is often required before anything works again. Third issue is transfer routing limits. Even when Zelle allows a send attempt, the receiving bank system still has to accept the payment route. If the routing is not supported, the transfer never reaches your Chime balance and looks like a failed payment on the sender's side. Another common problem is outdated app or bank site settings. If the sending bank app has not refreshed its Zelle registration, it can keep trying to send through an old link that no longer works. Updating the app and re-verifying Zelle inside the sender's bank settings is often needed to reset the connection. To fix it, first confirm whether the sender is using Zelle inside their bank app or the standalone Zelle app. If it is inside a bank app, they may need to remove your contact and re-add it. If the transfer still fails, switch to a different method like a standard bank transfer or debit card transfer instead of Zelle. Next, check that your email and phone number are not linked to another bank's Zelle account. If they are, unlink them from the old account before trying again. If nothing works, the issue is usually on the network compatibility side, not your account. To sum it up, Zelle failures with Chime usually come from compatibility limits, contact linking issues, or routing restrictions between systems. The fastest fix is re-verifying contact details, resetting Zelle registration on the sender's side, and switching to a supported transfer method if needed. The next step is to confirm which bank is sending the money and check whether your email or phone is already linked elsewhere, so you can eliminate the most common failure point. Like and subscribe for more clear fixes for payment issues that usually confuse both sides of the transfer.